guys, it's your boy John back again with another video. This video we're gonna do something which I feel is a necessity for anybody who has a wearable or a smartphone that's all touchscreen. And really in 2018, what smartphone is a touchscreen? But we're gonna be installing a tempered glass on my Galaxy Watch. And if you wanna watch the video on the unboxing for this, I'll post a link to it up here. And just want to say that my Gear S3 had a tempered glass on it. It actually got cracked, and I'm not gonna put a new one on it right now because I gotta send that watch in for some work done to it. But this one, I still have the sticker on it, so I haven't taken it off yet because I want to save it to do this video for you guys. So we're gonna be installing a tempered glass on it. Now, this package right here, I got this a while ago on Amazon. I'll post a link to this in the description below, and it's a 3-pack. I use one of them already so far for the S3. Everything comes in packaging. It's don't have it. There's like a bag that it came in, but because I used everything already, you know, it's not there. But everything here is like installing a tempered glass on any smartphone. There's literally nothing different. The only thing different is that instead of a rectangular device, you got a circular device. So you have your wipes, your dust collectors, your instructions, your little squeegee to get out the bubbles, and you have your glasses. So I'll leave that glass in there, I'll leave the alcohol pad in there. I only need one tempered glass there. I'll leave the squeegee out just in case. I don't need the instructions, but just a quick overview of the instructions. Use the alcohol pad to clean off the glass. Use the dust collector, if I can grab it, to collect any little dust that you see on there. You put a guide sticker on the glass to guide it. Lay it down, push it flat. You see the air bubbles. Use a little squeegee to squeegee them out. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, good. So you just put those in there. I only need one of these. So really everything that you need, okay, that was a struggle. Everything you need to install tempered glass is literally right here. You got your dust collector, the glass itself, your squeegee, and your wet wipes. So let's get to work. Open this up. Not yet, because I do have the sticker on here. Now, peeling this off. Okay, let me use this pry tool I have. That's gonna get under here better. Pull that out and, ooh, yeah, that is clean. Now, it is already a clean surface, but we're gonna just make sure it's extra clean. Get your little wet wipes. And the wet wipes, they do dry really quickly, but if you want to let it like sit for a while, you can. So like wipe it down and let it sit. Okay, enough sitting. So you can just double check it to make sure that there's nothing on it. You can use this, like these are extra steps, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I didn't think the watch was going to turn on so often, so turn off your device and just use a little sticky pad to get, you know, a little extra little dust that you might see. You could even just do it just to double check and make sure. Honestly, there is no dust on here, but rather be safe than sorry, right? So then try not to touch the actual glass itself. And you can get your tempered glass. Now you could peel this and like, okay, which way does it peel off? Now the way that it peels off, so it peels off this way, so the adhesive is on this part. So that's where you would get your guide sticker. And honestly, you could put this anywhere on it. You could put it like right here, just something that gives you better leverage. Now this is the fun part. You peel off the sticker at the bottom, and you gotta try and line up. Try not to touch the bottom of it. That's what the guide sticker for. Try and get as much in the center of the watch as you can. Now you can lift it up to double check and make sure, but you can just do it by eye and just double check and see if it is on correctly. See, for me, it's, you know, it's not on correctly. Let's see. You probably shouldn't be doing this. You probably should be getting a totally different one. But lift up the sticker. Now, I'm sorry if I'm doing this completely wrong, if somebody's gonna criticize me for this, but it's really hard to do this. So 8 hours later, I finally got it on. Now, how I checked it, I would use my nail and I'll poke the edges, and if I could feel the edge of the actual watch screen, I would have to adjust it. So I picked it up, I moved it around. Like I said, you should be okay as long as you don't press down completely on the screen after installation. Now, because I am sure that's where I want it and everything, I could push down on the screen and I don't have to worry about anything. Oh, that is really hard to pick up. I don't have any bubbles that I see. Yeah, oh, good. I am gravy. Now, a tempered glass does add a little height to the screen itself, but a little millimeter of height compared to actually getting a new watch. So a millimeter or another $350. You tell me what's cheaper. But I swear by these things, they've saved my watch a few times already. I know that this has the Gorilla Glass DX Plus, but really they all have their breaking point. Get it? Breaking point. Okay, anyways, so definitely get one of these. If you have a smartwatch, a smartphone, any kind of wearable, get one. But again, I will post a link to this in the description down below. And thanks you guys for checking us out. Until I see you guys on the next one, peace.